Hello and welcome back to making Discord bot. So now we're going to be setting up our welcome message. So say you want to welcome someone to the server that's just joined and you're not about, so you want it to be automatic. So we can say /new member. So now we can just say client.on. So when the client receives that there is a new member, so that's going to be guild member add. Spell that right? Yes. So every server in the Discord API is called guild. So it's going to be server and a member added, and then we're going to want to pass through the details about that member. So member, and then a little arrow, and open it up with a bracket. So we're going to say, let's just say we want to send our user our new user a DM. So we can say member dot send. And we can say welcome $member to the server. So you can obviously put your name, the name of the server you're in there, and you can save that, then clear this. No space stop. So now you can see we are logged in as that. Let's move this over here. Let's leave server. Let's rejoin it. And as you can see, I have been sent a DM just now. If I then now leave the server again, and we're going to try something else. So I'm going to show you what happens if, say, you don't want to send them a DM. Say you want to send a message in the public, like general chat. So providing there isn't any emotes in the title of your thing, you can do const welcome. This doesn't have to be called welcome, and it will be equal to member.guild, so the member server channel. So it's going to find a channels. It's going to look in the cache and it's going to find one with the name. So welcome. It's just reiterating that little arrow, and it's going to be welcome.name. So it's going to look for our channel name. That's going to be is equal to, and we're going to general. Our channel name is going to be equal to general. So we could say in general chat, and we could say welcome.send. And we can say welcome to the server in the little tildes. Every time you want to do the $ thing, it has to be in the tilde key, or else it won't work. And member, and we're going to say up here if exclamation point welcome, then we're just going to tell it to return. So if that channel doesn't exist, it's just going to return, and it's going to ignore anything underneath. So now we can node space dot again. I can join the server, and as you can see, there's been no errors, and it's successfully sent the message. Now say there is an emo in your channel name, and it won't be able to find it this way. So what you can do is you can make sure your Discord is in developer mode, and you can copy the ID of a channel. And the only small difference you need to make is instead of welcome.name, it's welcome.id, and it's that. Now say the name of your welcome thing, your const is different. So if it's not welcome, say if it's like hello, then these will be hello, like this welcome here and this welcome here will be hello. And obviously that will be different. So as you can see now, I'm just going to leave and join again, and it's going to hopefully work again. And as you can see, it clearly has. So that's how you do welcome messages. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something, please say so in the comments. If you have any questions about what we've covered, feel free to ask. Please like, share, do all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video.